Hello guys. Today I will show you how to install Screen Protector on Samsung Galaxy S9. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. I am using SPARIN Liquid Skin Screen Protector. This kit comes with how to guide, alcohol wipes, dust absorber, microfiber cloth and squeegee. Open alcohol wipes and apply on mobile screen. This will ensure that all finger oils are removed from the screen. Make sure to cover the entire screen including sides and edges. Using microfiber piece dry out entire screen. Make sure that you do not see any residual oil and dust particles. After this stage the screen should look uniform and as clean as possible. And apply on screen on places where you